Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make another quick video of my first paycheck budget for the month of August. Also, if you have not seen Budgeting Just Because Saturday Live, I need you to go watch it because these right here are 5 tips to help with inflation. So she got review your spending, find quick ways to save, use a calendar and or worksheet to make your budget, find ways to increase your income such as selling things you already have. Of course, you would want to continue to save and invest. Also, these are some things that I needed to get done so far. I've only paid my vision bill and I need to make this video to finish it up. I do have the money set aside. I just haven't recorded it. Of course, the family reunion is at the end of the month, so I need to set aside some more cash for that. And I have not called the leasing office just yet. Of course, these are my goals right here. Let's go ahead and get started on seeing what my paycheck budget was for the first paycheck of August. Also, this is after the bills. I actually went in and got those auto deposited into the different accounts, which is why you won't see those here. So let's get started. So after bills, we have $1,131.88. And of course, I did send $190.45 to my sister. Also, I did include $3.66 from the last budget, and I added in some more change that I had, which is where I got that total from altogether. So this is going to kind of look like I went shopping sorta. So after sending offering money to my sister, I did have $941.43 left for 2 weeks. I went ahead and sent Navy Federal $47. I sent $200 to Allie. Of course, I paid the electric bill for $63. Well, half of it anyway. Me and my sister went to Longhorn, so $23.14. Altogether, Longhorn was actually $40 and some change. The vision bill, $78.41. Dental visit, I did go to the ATM machine and get $100 in cash for that. When it comes to gas and the other store, I spent $35.65. Wendy's, now this was when I was at home. I didn't have time to go grocery shopping, so I just went to Wendy's on my lunch break, grabbed something real quick for me and Travis. So that was $18.78, which I did pay it back to Navy Federal. Also, we have Walmart spending. I spent that from my chime, and I spent $35.45 for groceries. This time we're doing $300. If you know, you know. I ended up with $40 left, so I have, well, had $20 on chime, and I have $20 in cash. The $20 in chime actually went to me getting some food last night and some other things that I needed to buy. So there's that. Now, mind you, when I got paid, I was here in town with my mom, and I finally figured out the budget. That's why this is looking like a expense tracker. But overall, this is where the money actually went. So that's it. Also, I am not going to cash stuff anything at this time since the money is pretty much on the card and I can just swipe it or, pay from my credit card and send the money over. Also, if you have not checked out the freebie for the month of August, definitely check it out. Of course, I can't link it above, but it will be in the description box. We have a lot of women this time. Yeah, I think it's like 12 of us. So we have Beautiful Budgets, Brittany from Dreamy Budgets, Cassie J herself from I Am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. We have Fiona from Frugality is Life. We have Jillian Budgets, Kiki from Sweet Kiki 1, Tammy from Make Money Save Money, Tiff from So Create Tiff. We have Cynthia Budgets joining in. We have Ty from Simply Ty. We also have Andra. uh, I think I just said her name wrong. Sorry about that. From Traveling and Saving Chief. We have Mrs. V from Life with Mrs. V. Remember, she did change her name. Also, we have M from Budget with M. So, if you would like the savings challenge, the Zodiac savings challenge for Leo season, definitely check it out below. Remember, the different variations of the challenge is all down below. Remember that the playlists for the videos are all down below, just in case you want to, follow along and do it with us. Also, remember, if you do download the challenge, let us know. If you download it from my channel, let me know. I will let Cassie J know. That way, when you upload a video, we can support and watch you. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Definitely not editing it. Thank you so much for helping me with my watch hours and playlists and watching my videos. I know this is, pretty rough when I normally watch everybody's video, but right now I'm just trying to watch videos when I have the chance and really not busy. What else I wanted to say? I definitely should have wrote this down, but I didn't. I think that's it. We went over the budget. This is what it looked like. Also, right here for the $200 in Alley, I will make a separate video showing you all where I sent that money. I'm just shocked that I was able to send $200 to Allie along with the $100 that I had auto deposited to Allie as well. That's crazy. I haven't been able to save a gigantic lump sum of money. Well, I think it's 350 some dollars from this first paycheck. So hope hopefully. Yeah, hopefully when I get home, there is some kind of overtime available for me to work. That way I can continue to save money. I did switch up some things in Alley again, and I took away the Gulf Shores savings account. I ended up letting someone borrow the money, and I'm just going to continue saving for that in cash. I also took away another bucket in Alley. I don't really remember which bucket it was, but I noticed that I don't want too many buckets. They can be a bit confusing. So I just wanted to decrease and, save and add that way. But this is it. This is all I have. Remember, if you have any suggestions or comments about anything, let me know down below. Oh, you all, guess what? So I made it into not the 4,000 watch hour partnership with YouTube, but I was able to get past the 3,000 watch hours. So now I was able to go in the system, turn on where you're able to send stickers and all of those things. So if you send anything, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It will help so much. I hope you all have a happy Sunday. I'm going to go sit down and see what else I can do before my sister comes to the house, and then we're going to go visit my mom since I do have to head back home tomorrow to go to work on Tuesday. So, bye. And remember, if I leave some strange comment saying watching while driving, that just means that I have your video playing with my earbuds in. So I'm not actually watching while driving, but the video is playing itself. Have a great day. Thank you all so much for the help. Thanks for all of the comments, the wishes. My mom is doing better. Um, her doctor actually came in her room and let her know that he was going on vacation. I believe she said that he and two of his children were going to France for 2 weeks, but they are going to have someone else filling in. So there's that. Also, that drainage tube is working really well. She's still feeling better. She's still getting antibiotics. She may get pain medicine every now and then. She's not needing to have any potassium, so her potassium levels are back up. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.